I have a brother. Oh my God, there used to be. We had a good Irish family, like, so there was three. Myself and my two sisters slept in one little box room. Then my parents, and then the five lads were in another room together.
Yeah.
And one of the lads, oh my God, he used to shake the house. The walls would be shaking in the house with him snoring. He was extremely loud. It was like a truck.
Right.
In the middle of the night. But like, it didn't bother me.
Did you just get used to it?
Yeah, I got used to it.
Because see, this is it can be a comforting thing when you hear somebody snoring away.
Hit that subscribe button.